jẹ́ ká sáfíìsì Samsung S20 yìí. Ó jábọ́ sínú omi for like 5 minutes. So ó ní àwa fortunate orí fóònù yẹn pa pending the time tó fi mú wa. So ìgbà tó mú dé ó ní kábò ń dọ́gbọ́n sí, although screen yẹn ń tàn but ó máa function. So a ní láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ bóyá a lè rí screen yẹn rescue. Terms and conditions láti repair any phone tó bá jábọ́ sómi ó yàtọ̀ sí normal phone, because phone tó jábọ́ sómi everything lè ṣiṣẹ́ perfectly. Kọ́ ẹ pé time tẹ̀ bá tú ni àwọn component mi máa wà expose. Wọ́n ṣe wà expose ní time yẹn, ìmí lè bàjẹ́, additional damage lè ṣẹlẹ̀. But bí ẹ ṣe tí tú yẹn, ó sì lè máa ṣiṣẹ́ under glitch. So ìgbà tẹ́ bá tú ni wàhálà máa dé. So terms and conditions of a water damaged phone is different. So now, ó náà mọ condition, so we just have to look for a way to rescue the device. Gbogbo inú device yẹn ni omi wà, literally everywhere. The downboard, the camera, everything was submerged in water, honestly. So I proceed àtú phone yẹn sílẹ̀. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ service irú phone báyìí, ó require proper care. I mean proper care and thorough understanding. Ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ mọ nǹkan tí ẹ ń ṣe, because phone yìí wà fragile. You cannot handle it anyhow. There is a process, because there is no point tẹ́ bá ṣe tán tí nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe tí ò ṣiṣẹ́, that another problem tún occur. Are you getting me? So tẹ́ bá ti kọ́kọ́ tú phone, the first thing tẹ́ máa ṣe lórí ẹ̀ is to remove battery. And now a ti service gbogbo àwọn components tó wà níbẹ̀ pátápátá, so there is no more water trace in whatsoever way, in every possible means. A ti make sure pé a remove water kúrò níbẹ̀, so kò sí omi kankan. Now báwo lẹ ṣe lè yọ omi kúrò nínú phone? Medium wo lẹ lè gba service fún? Servicing of phone different process ló wà. Ó depend lórí tí user bá fẹ́ lò. Màá fún yín láwọn method tẹ́ lè lò láti service phone. So ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ test eléyìí náà, ká wo result target. Bóyá result target yẹn ó tiẹ̀ lè jẹ́ kí á wò bóyá ó lè ṣiṣẹ́. Although omi ti wọ inú screen yẹn, ó ti penetrate wọlé. So ó ń jẹ́ kí touchpad yẹn kó máa malfunction, but screen yẹn show backlight will burn. Look at it like this. Ẹ lè expose the screen sí heat, but heat yẹn ò gbọdọ̀ pọ̀ jù, so that kò ní burn flex ẹ̀, at the same time kò ní damage or kò create lines ojú ẹ̀. So we have tried all possible best to restore the screen. But as we are trying to restore it, we are also taking caution. There is one last step that might take at the end of this video. But for now, let's continue to troubleshoot. Last step yẹn ni the last result. I mean result. Tí o bá sí solution mọ́, only the last thing téèyàn máa ṣe ní situation báyìí. You know, this is an emergency situation. Ó jábọ́ sómi, ó náà fẹ́ ká ṣe, heat it up. Even nǹkan kó tó di pé ó tutù pátápátá àti testable. So we don't have time. You just have to, rescue the phone. It happens as a matter of urgency. So on our way situation báwo lè ṣe lè service ẹ̀? Àwọn part phone kan wà tí ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ expose sí heat no matter what. Àwọn part kan wà tẹ́ lè expose sí minimal heat. Àwọn kan wà tẹ́ lè expose sí medium heat. Àwọn kan wà tẹ́ lè expose sí high heat, depending on the temperature. Now, kò sí irú form of heat tí ẹ lè fi service phone. Ó depend the expertise level ẹni yẹn. Ẹ lè lo generator, exhaust láti service phone. Yes. Ẹ lè lo charcoal, iron láti service fún. Ẹ lè lo lighter, ẹ lè lo burner. What really matters is that you must know what you are doing. You may not have total control over the temperature, but you must understand what temperature really is. You may not have to touch it, but you can feel it with your hand. There are some years back tó yẹ pé àwọn ẹlòmíì ṣe engineer yìí, they will test a phone without multimeter, and nǹkan tó bá pe problem ẹ̀ fún ẹ, that will be the problem. How? It means they are making use of their intellect. There was a time tá máa fi heat generator, tá máa fi yọ screen separation ká tó máa lo heater uncle, So àwọn process yìí náà is a thing tá ṣì lè improvise ká ṣì máa lò fún ẹni tó bá wù láti lò ní. Like I have more than 5 forms of it, but mo kàn decide láti má lo the workstation. The setup I'm trying to, the education I'm passing across is just how to improvise, as in look for possible remedies. So I have the full video documented. It's available on our YouTube, the full video, the step-by-step process that you can follow. You can only support us by liking the page. The last solution for this kind of device, I'm going to remove the battery and leave it for 24 hours. After I have serviced it, it's going to work.